gosh, you guys can smell it. It's so smooth and kind of sweet, but not too sweet, and give you that nice fresh scent. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while. How are you guys doing with all the situation going around right now? Yeah, it has been a little bit hard for me. This is my first time after over 2 weeks that I'm like filming a video, and you know, I woke up today, I thought, okay, it's time after spending like 14 days in my apartment and not leaving the house at all. It has been time. How are you guys feeling? Oh, the situation going around right now. Where do you come from? Is it very, you know, intense at the place that you are right now? Because in Germany it is, where we got a lockdown. In my opinion, way too late, but gotta stay positive, right? As you can see, my hair, I took the Marley hair down. I kept them way too long than I wanted to, and my hairline that was damaged from the previous protective hairstyle, I think it's slowly coming back. And I want to wash my hair. I took my Marley twist out and I didn't really wash my hair. I just put it like in a bun and wet it a little bit, and you can basically see, like, you can see all this thing. Like, I haven't really like separate each strands really well, so it's getting like muddy. I don't want that. So I want to wash my hair, and I have a mixture of the detangling that I want to use. If you guys are interested how I mix this together, what I'm about to show you, you simply just click the link below or somewhere up here. I'm gonna insert it because I already made a video on how to detangle stubborn 4C hair. Let me show you the product I'm gonna use. I got like a few, I'm gonna use like an entire line from a brand. These are like 4 products. They are from KCL Cosmetic. This is a sulfate-free shampoo. They are definitely from Europe, and I already used this once, and I'm not sure how to feel about the shampoo yet. I'm gonna give it like a second try today and see. Yeah, this is the shampoo. It says it's for trockenes, brüchiges, lockies Haar, which means it's for dry and breakable and very curly hair, curly kinky hair. So it's a shampoo. Then I got the detox hibiscus powder for defined curls, and this is the hibiscus powder. It looked like kind of gray, red, pinkish, but it's actually really red. There's like some really corny thing in it, like you smash it together, you get really intense, the color. So I don't want to get my room that dirty. This is the detoxing powder, and here we have a grow oil with retinous oil, and it should help with hair growth. I got the powder like everywhere. I'm gonna just put their website under my description box, and I got like also a code. They were already like so nice and sent me a code with it like a few months ago. Like, I had this product like for very long time. And here we have a, yeah, it's a deep conditioner. It's a Revive. It's the Revive deep conditioner. Is perfect for, you know, for carousing and lockness. It's perfect for like kinky coils. So I've used this also as one time already. You can see it really smells like candy. Oh, delicious. So these are all of our products that I'm gonna use on my wash day now. I already prepared my detangling paste mixture together, which look like this. Basically what I did is I put the regular cooking oil in here, then I use one of my rinse out conditioner that I really bought cheap, and I add like 3 teaspoons from the hibiscus powder and mix everything together. It's just like to detangle my hair. So I have like a video extra where I like show everything in details, but there I wasn't using the hibiscus powder. I was just like showing how I mix my detangling mixture together. You can take a look at that if you want. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna head to my bathroom, because I'm gonna do this off camera because I don't want to get everything nasty. Get really nasty. I'm gonna go to my bathroom, wet my hair, apply this, let it sit like for about 10-15 minutes, and then wash my hair. So stay tuned. This is why I did it in the bathroom. Look how nasty everything get. Like, look at that. I get like all over the place. It's crazy. I changed the location because the sun already went down and the lighting is really bad now in my room. I'm done. It took me way longer than usual because after I have like a protective hairstyle in for that long, the detangle process just like double up. I wanted to show you that I already applied it. I already like do the detangle process and apply everything. Like it's I think it took me like in total like an hour. So which means leaving it in like for 15 minutes it's definitely done. So let's unravel. After you have like protective hairstyling for that long, don't be worried like you're gonna have like a lot of hair shedding hairs, because you know up to 1,000 not 1,000, up to 100 hair a day we lose. Now imagine if you haven't like comb or wash your hair like in 2 months, how much hair that is. Just like 100 times 60, this is like about 60 days. So this is really time consuming, like detangle with the hand, but it is really worth it. Done. God, I can't no more, and I'm hungry. Just gonna finish this very quick. Let's wash. So let me wash this. Here's the shampoo. Let's see how the consistent is. Really look at that, liquidy, very liquidy. I'm gonna use my finger like to scratch it in. Trying to just put it like on my scalp and not so much on the ends of my hair, because I don't want it like the shampoo to get too much like all the nutrition out of the ends of my hair, the oils and all the stuff. So that was enough. I'm gonna wash it out. This is how it looks like right now after the rinse out from the hibiscus and using the shampoo. I'm gonna go in now with the shampoo, with the conditioner. I love the scent of this conditioner. So this is how it looks like. Looking like vanilla, like the color, kind of like vanilla color. So we're just gonna apply this on the tip mostly. I'm not gonna leave it in that long, just 5 minutes, because this wash is already taking way too long. It's giving me a really nice like oh god, I'm so obsessed. Let me know in the comment section if you love and hate wash day just like me. I hate it so much because it takes so long, but when I'm done, like almost done and like busy, like just going through with my finger to my hair, oh god, I love it. The front part of my hair has always been a little bit looser than the back, which always make me believe that the front side is more like a 4B, but who cares about, like, I don't even care about hair type anymore, because a friend of mine, Debbie, was once like making fun about our hair because she was like, I don't care, my hair is just doing what you want. Some days I feel like my hair is from A to like 4A to 4Z or so, something like that. She was saying, like, what are you saying? I knew what she was talking about, like they're changing and looking like different every time, and depending on weather and how much they are moisturized. So just gonna massage it a little bit. So, then I can just go through my hair. I got my microfiber teeny tiny towel. I need to get myself a bigger one because this is like really ridiculous. Every time I have to squeeze my hair like in, there's like no space at all. That was for it now. I don't want to. I don't like the lighting and the atmosphere in my bathroom. So I'm just gonna, put another towel on top and then put my sleeping cap. And that's how I'm actually just gonna go to bed like that. And then by tomorrow I'm gonna like give like a total, my total review on how I feel about the product. And yeah, it's obviously the next day. This is my dry hair after using the product. My final review. So the shampoo was very liquidy, very liquidy. I was expecting to be maybe a tiny bit thicker, but it was okay. And it does give me a lot of, as you already saw like in the video, that it was very leathering. It gave me a lot of leather. While washing my hair, I really like that. And all the oil didn't strip out all the oil from my hair, so that was fine. And the conditioner, no, let's first say the powder. I believe when you get the powder, you're gonna like have this like for months. There's really a lot in this, and you really don't need much. I've used it like I think 4 or 5 times now. I always end up taking a 1 or 2 teaspoon, and I like that. You can basically use this for your skin as well, which as this face or a hair mask after you do a mixture of that. So I'm definitely gonna continue using this a lot. To the conditioner. I don't know what it is, what I have with conditioner, but I love conditioner. And this one specifically, so I wish you guys can smell it. It's so smooth and kind of sweet, but not too sweet, and give you that nice fresh scent after a shower, and so creamy. It has this nice and like ice cream, this nice ice cream scent. Yeah, to that, I love that. And I like the texture of it. It isn't like too liquidy and not too thick, and it gives me like a nice slip to my hair. I really like that. And the hair oil, I used it right away yesterday, and that was actually the first time that I used it. So I'm not gonna go into the hair oil this time. I may like in a few months give a full review on that, because I think I just have to use it a few more times to get into like the feeling for it, how it works to my hair. And yeah, I don't want to stay in here and just say things and I haven't even really used it that much. So Yesterday was the first time that I used it. So far it was okay. I felt nothing like dramatic to my hair. Yeah, so that said, I'm all done for this video. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching my video. I will see you guys in 7 days. Bye.